The quick release was nice. Definitely, I love this steering wheel a lot. Just that little thing inside of me is worrying me if I were to ever get in a crash. It's just really scary to think about not having an airbag. Since this car is my daily driver, I do not have another car. I drive this thing so much, literally every day. Wait. Are you done? I think he is. But yeah, I literally forgot. Oh, no, he's not. It scares me thinking about like not having an airbag in that type of situation. So we went ahead and got a new steering wheel for the FRS. I know I just put the steering wheel on like a month ago, I'd say, but I don't want to risk it. There's just something in me that's just telling me to not like push it. So it's better to be safe than sorry. I was kind of iffy with this steering wheel at first. I was actually going to buy this wheel before I bought the quick release, but I ended up going the quick release route. Once I got it in the mail and I held it in person, the wheel looks so good. Like, I'm really excited to put this thing on the car. So it looks good and it's safe. So huge plus. I'm gonna steal a 17 from you.
Okay.
I'm actually just bolting it up onto the hub so we can actually pull the hub off of the car because it is way too stuck for me to just pull it off with my hands. There you go. There you go. This right here is what you do not want to mess with at all. Or else it'll just throw a whole bunch of like lights and ABS, all that crazy stuff. Right? Don't touch this thing.
Shut up.
Tell them what happened to your car. Your ABS lights are on, right?
Yeah, so I don't have ABS.
Damn.
So,
how do you even fix that?
Just get a new clock spring. $600 from the dealership.
Oh my, just for the clock spring, 600 bucks?
To install it, to do everything. Yeah.
So 600 bucks, or you can just be extra careful and not touch this thing whatsoever. We're not risking it today, guys. Settling with electrical tape should work. Stay. All right. Okay, that shouldn't move. That should be good right there.
No, only. Here, go. You're good. Oh, so that's what. Okay.
Should be good. Pretty much like OEM. Like, it looks very OEM with like the red stitching. Same shape, I guess you can say, but there's a lot of like different features. Like we have the little grooves, and then of course the flat bottom, carbon on the top and bottom. Hey, dude, stop playing. Dude, stop playing. This is not fun. Oh my god. Why are you backing up? This is so scary.
Hey.
Oh my, dude, I don't know why this scares me. Like, it's just...
I'm gonna pull the battery. You should line them up. Line the pins up. That's harder. There you go. More. There's one more. Good?
Boom! Right in the face. I'm already failing myself. I know in the previous video I had mentioned I need to stop buying some fast food because literally every day I feel like I buy fast food and that is just so bad for my wallet. Just had to buy some Taco Bell. It's been about a day. I've been driving around with the new steering wheel, as you guys can see, and it feels really nice. It feels pretty solid. I'm really liking the way it feels. If I can be completely honest with you guys, I think personally that the quick release steering wheel looks way better than this wheel right here. I just think it looks cooler. I think it fits the car more. But don't get me wrong, I love this wheel. This wheel looks really nice, especially with the flat bottom. I just love the flat bottom design. It's something very different than before. And then also the red stripe, which I love because I feel like I've always wanted a red stripe on my steering wheel. I don't know, it's just cool, just a little feature. Like I had mentioned before in the video, main purpose of this was all for safety. Since this car is my daily driver, and just having an airbag is a really good precaution to have, especially when you're out driving a lot. Yeah, like you never know what can happen. Literally, like, who knows? I can be involved in an accident. Having an airbag could potentially save my life or prevent me from being injured like really bad. So it's always good just to have this here just in case. Like, you literally never know. And I definitely wouldn't want to be regretting it later on if like I were to get injured really bad. Overall, I'm really happy with this. It looks good and it is way safer. So for today, I actually brought out the GoPro. So we're gonna get some POV shots of me driving the car with the new steering wheel on. I feel like it'd be pretty cool to show you guys the new wheel with some POV shots. I'm gonna take the car on a few back roads as well, so that should be sick. And also some like normal driving on the public roads. So I hope you guys enjoy the POV footage. Guys, this view is such a vibe. This car definitely feels so much quicker on E85. Like, I don't know if it's just my mind playing tricks on me, but the way it pulls on E85, it is so fun. This car is so fun to drive. Like I stated in my previous videos, if you guys are like looking into like a project car or something fun to build and drive, this car perfect for that. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage for today's vlog. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Do you guys prefer this one or the previous one when I had the quick release? It honestly feels much better having an airbag back on the car. You literally just never know. I feel like a lot of us get caught up in life and we feel like, you know, everything is like promised and that, you know, tomorrow is another opportunity. You know, I can just push it off later. I'll procrastinate and do it later. But something that has really helped me really with like my perspective on life is, as cliche as it sounds, but it is so true, your life can literally be taken at any given moment. You just do not know. You hear about all these car crashes at like 5 in the morning, 6, you know, whatever time, you name it, where if you think about it, all these people, you know, were probably driving home to go see their family. And it could be anything, going to the store, something so simple, yet their life got taken away. It's just like one example of, you never know what can happen, so why hold on to any negativity in your heart? Why hold grudges? Why, you know, think so negatively about life and all this, when you can literally just be focusing on what matters the most, focusing on your loved ones, family. If you knew you're gonna die tomorrow, would you spend your time wisely and focus on what matters most? Or would you just keep focusing on the negativity and complaining about everything and basically taking everything for granted? That is what I hold on to my heart so much nowadays. This could be the last time I'm ever driving this car. I can possibly not make it home. Like, once you recognize that, I promise you, your whole perspective and mindset on life will change so much. It's just something I want to share with you guys because I feel like that is so important. With that being said, I hope you all have an amazing rest of your day. Really smile more, be happy, and make the most out of every single thing that you do today. What is there to lose?